Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today that is 23 August 2022. I have taken only a single trade. Before speaking about that single trade, so we'll discuss the missed trades. So there are many stocks to discuss. So let's see the stocks now. So the first stock I need to speak about Laurus Labs. So one thing before speaking, just check the sector. So it was completely bullish. So here in Laurus Labs, I thought of taking a long position. So so my entry would have been around 573. So after 15 minutes candle formation, so I placed my entry around 573. My stop loss would have 571. So below this candle my stop loss would have been, and yeah, so you can see uh, it went upside. So the second stock is Glenmark. uh, Glenmark, here I thought of taking short position. So here you can see two bearish candles, right? So this one and this one. So if you also check in pharma sector, in lower time frame it is showing bearish. So based on this I have taken, so I thought of taking an entry in Glenmark, so that my entry would have been around 374, exit would have been top of this candle, so that would be 376. Taking some points as buffer, I would have placed around 376. So it would have hit my stop loss. So yeah, and the third trade is that Sun Pharma. So after formation of this bearish candle, so I thought of taking an entry. So I placed uh, my entry position as 890. It came till 889.50. It did not get executed, so because of which I exited. Uh, it did not. I didn't even take an entry, so I completely exited from this. So remaining this Laurus Labs and Glenmark, my broker did not give me the access of taking positions in Laurus Labs and Glenmark. Yeah, and let's discuss the trade which I have taken. So Jindal Steel, yeah, today I have taken trade in Jindal Steel. Where see metal sector, first 1 hour it made a bullish momentum, but when you, let me do it for you, in a 1 hour time frame it made bullish momentum, but when you check in lower time frames it made bearish momentum and then went down sideways. It did not even break high of this candle, so that we might come to a conclusion that so it is following the trend, or else a trend has changed, but here trend did not get changed. So because of which I have taken a short position in Jindal Steel. So the reason for choosing this Jindal Steel is that after formation of this bearish candle, so I thought of taking an entry. Uh, so I took an entry at this position. So let me see the time. Here you can see, right? So in this candle exactly around 157 maybe. So around 157 I think so. So my trade got executed. So that is entry I have taken it 392 and stop loss I have placed as 394 high of this candle. So yeah, I have exited somewhere yeah. So in this candle I have exited. So my exit point is at 390.50. So it hit 1 is to 1 ratio, but I did not exit. So I have exited below 1 is to 1 ratio. So it neither hit my target nor hit my stop loss. So it has hit target, but I did not think of taking only 1 is to 1 ratio. So yeah, so that's all for today. See you in the next video.